That's the type of vibe I'm getting, but it seemed a little thicker and better than the CQP, honestly. It seemed a little heavier than the CQP. It's like a throwback CQP. It's like a throwback. The weight of it is good, though. It's like a throwback CQP. But this one, it's got some weight to it. It's actually kind of, I kind of mess with this, though. It got some weight to it. By the way, this is like a soft. And this one's like a little bit like a soft medium. I bet this one is extra soft. This one is probably going to be like a premium or something. Yeah, this one's soft as well.